Come on in.
Hey Wendy, I'm here.
Yay! Come on up. Come on up.
Okay, I'm gonna show you what I brought, okay?
Okay.
I'm coming. I have to show you. I bought new outfits and everything.
What have you done?
So, I packed for the travel with Wendy. I'm all ready, but look, I have all the things.
But we're going
I went
for just a few days.
Look, you got. Where's your other suitcase?
This is it. It's only a few days. You don't need a lot. You have just a few. What did you bring?
Well, I brought all the necessities. I brought. Okay. I go. Okay. So, well, like here, look. Well, I needed. Oh wait, it's gonna fall. I needed my dress for dinner the first night, and my dress for dinner the second night. Well, wait, and then my third dress. That one's my favorite. Look, it matches you. It's big polka dots, though. And then my other polka dots. So there's 4 dresses. And then, well, I had to bring my iron because we got iron. Because it'll get all wrinkly. I mean, look at it. It's already.
No.
It's already
Okay,
wrinkly. But then,
What is this?
it might get cold. So
Look, boots.
isn't that cute?
We're only
Oh,
going.
because it might rain.
We're only going to France.
And but it's gonna. I know. I brought the nice shoes too.
For a few days.
I brought the. Cause look, well, not with that dress, but with the other dress.
We're going to show you how to pack. So,
I know.
you only want to take a few dresses or a few outfits. And you want the kind that roll up really easily because most airlines will not let you take something that big without charging you quite a bit of money, almost 100 euros for something this size in both directions. So you don't want to do that. Now,
100?
100. So I always take a couple accessories to spruce up my outfit, and then a pair of comfortable shoes. You only need one pair. It's only for a few days. And then my toiletries. No, these are not good for cobblestone all over Europe. You need comfortable shoes that are not going to break your ankles. Okay? No, I'm sorry.
Is that why I have it?
Yeah. So, and yeah, no, and it may rain, but we can take an umbrella, and that's much smaller.
Okay. But I have 2 more
We'll get
jackets.
you a small one. We'll get you a small one.
I don't need 4 jackets and a sweater and a ring.
Just one. But you don't need all of this stuff for just a few days. I know that it's different than traveling in the States, but in Europe you can get a lot of inexpensive flights to go to many popular places, and you don't need to pack a lot, okay? So something this size fits on Ryanair and EasyJet, and it can go in the overhead. So pack smarter, not harder. If you are looking for more tips and information about how to pack, you can find a checklist on my website at this blog, as well as where to buy these dresses. There's lots of links and shortcuts to make your trip packing a little easier.